Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Range, and I expected that you already cover and watch my previous videos of control flow. In control flow part A I covered if and if else, and in part B I covered nested if and while loop. In today's session, we start with the for loop, but before for loop, a very important thing is range function. So first we discuss range function in this video, and then in the next video, we start a for loop. A range function is a base of for loop. If you know the range function, if you know how the range function works, then only you can work on for loop very easily. Before starting this session, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and get all the updates. So what is a range function? The range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 by default and increments by 1 by default and stops before a specified number. What is the meaning of this? So range function is what? Range function provides you the sequence of numbers. Sequence of number, whatever range you want. You want 1 to 10, you want 10 to 1, you want all even number, you want all odd numbers, whatever you want. So range function returns a sequence of numbers that starting from 0 by default, this is a starting value, and increment by 1, that is also by default. If you want to increase the increment value, suppose that you just want 2 increment or 3 increment, that's up to you. But by default value is 1. Starting value is 0 and increment value is 1. And stops before a specified number that provided by you, or by default it's a complete number. And what is the syntax of range function? So range function syntax is this: range, start, stop, and step. Now what is this? Start, stop, and this is a start value, this is a stop value, and this is a step value. Now what is this? This is your basic from where you want to start. This is a stop value, at which position you just want to stop. And this is a step value, specify the increment value or decrement value. Okay, so start is what? Optional. This is an optional value. An integer number specify at which position to start. Okay, this is a completely optional value because by default value is 0. If you not mention the start value, then by default value is 0. Okay, next we have a stop value. What is a stop value? An integer number specify at which position to stop, not included. Okay, so stop means whatever you mention in the stop value, that stop value is not included in the range one. Suppose that you mention 1, 5. 1 is a starting value and 5 is your stop value. So your loop start from 1 and ends to 4, not 5. Okay, so stop value never included in this. Step value is what? Step value is an optional value again. Okay, how many steps you just want to take, or you can say that the jumping one. Okay, so 1, 2, whatever you just want to give, you can mention your step value there. I hope this is clear to you. Example of range function, range 10 is there. So this 10 is the ending value. Okay, starting value is not mentioned here, step value is not mentioned here. So by default starting value is 0 and step value is 1. So that's why it's printed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Last value never included in range function. Next we have range 5, 10. So starting value is 5, ending value is 10. Again the step value is not mentioned in this. So by default the step value is 1. Okay, so that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last value again not mentioned in this. Next we have range 3, 7. What is the meaning of this? Again, the step value is not there. So by default, it is 1. Start from 3, end to 7, and 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. 7, the last value never included. Next, we have range 5, 15, 3. So starting value is 5, ending value is 15, and the last value, the step value is 3. So 5, then 3, 5 plus 3, then 8, then 11 we have, then 14 we have. 15 is my ending value. After 14, if I add 3, then I cross my range and it shows an error. Next, we have range 9, 3, minus 1. So, minus 1 means decrement value. Minus 1 decrement. So, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And the decrement value is minus 1. That's why it's backward. Okay. So, I hope these concepts are clear to you now. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. If you like my video, do press the like button, share your views in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updates of my upcoming videos. Till then, keep watching, keep studying. Thank you.